To another update now, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang is warning that there will be repercussions if promoters breach the temporary ease of restrictions for entertainment events. His warning comes a day after the House of Representatives amended the Noise Abatement Act paving the way for parties and other events to go longer than the prescribed time under the law. TVJ's Prince Moore has the details.
Several event promoters have been calling for amendments to the Noise Abatement Act to enable them to operate longer each night, especially in areas where residents are not being disturbed. The government has responded by making changes to the act, allowing event promoters to go until 2 a.m. on weekdays and 4 a.m. on weekends, a full 2-hour extension from what obtained previously. The ease in restrictions will remain in place until January 31. However, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang wants promoters to act responsibly. Speaking at a media briefing at the office of the Prime Minister on Wednesday, Dr. Chang said the level of compliance will be critical to the decisions to be made going forward when the Noise Abatement Act is being reviewed.
For those who are involved in the noise producing side, if they apply this, if they take advantage of this particular regulation and operate in a civil manner, it will be much easier to do the comprehensive review and understand and to get the message across that Jamaicans can operate with public order and recognition of the rights of everyone.
Entertainment Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange welcomes the temporary amendment to the Act. She also revealed that her ministry is working to complete the build-out of the entertainment zones in Fort Rocky, Port Royal by February next year. It is among several others to be established.
The first zone that we announced was in the Fort Rocky area, and we're actually building that out and hope that it will be ready. We're working towards February, Reggae Month, for that to become available, and it will be a multiple entertainment facility, in addition to an area that is being built out by Port Authority for the arrival of the cruise ship. That area will also be available within the entertainment zone that we are creating for events to be held. We're looking at locations across the island, including Negril, St. Anne, Trelawney, and a number of other areas, but we will be announcing those over time.
Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, says no permission will be granted for entertainment events at some venues in the corporate area. He says the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, will be looking at the number of approvals granted for each venue.
We will not be approving 10 and 12 events for one venue, especially if that venue is in the vicinity of the residential areas. For example, the Old Pastures. Old Pastures has been a kind of a prominent issue in terms of contentious, in terms of issuance of amusement license. That is a venue that I have basically taken up. And I have asked for a meeting this morning at the municipality to look at all the applications we have received for that venue and to treat with it. I be very clear, we won't be approving more than one event there for January.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.